Hey there, B2B founders. Welcome to the very first episode of the Scaling Founder podcast. I'm Tony Corner, Chief Executive Officer of B2B Dental Connect and CEO of Conic Digital, where I help $5 to $10 million businesses like yours scale smarter with AI-driven lead generation. Today, we're diving into why more leads isn't the answer and what smart leads can do for you. So let's get started. If you're a $5 to $10 million B2B founder, you've probably been pitched endless lead gen tools promising hundreds of leads a month. Sounds familiar? Well, here's the problem. More leads often means more noise. I worked with a $7 million SaaS founder who was drowning in 500 leads monthly, but only 3% converted. That is hours of wasted time on dead-end prospects. The truth is, at your stage, you don't need a flood of leads. You need smart leads, high-intent buyers who are ready to talk. My clients use AI, intent data, and lead scoring to cut sales cycles by 37% and book 20 plus qualified calls monthly. Today, I'll share one powerful strategy to make your lead gen smarter so you can focus on closing deals, not chasing ghosts. The reason I'm making this podcast for B2B founders is because there's a huge gap between what's offered in the market and what founders actually need. And the big thing is you don't need more leads, and leads are generally not nonsense. They are just not handled properly or targeted properly. So let's talk about AI lead scoring, a game changer for $5 to $10 million firms. Most founders rely on gut instinct or basic CRM filters to prioritize leads. But that's like guessing which needle in the haystack is gold. AI lead scoring uses data to rank your prospect by their likelihood to buy, so you focus on the top 10% that drive 80% of your revenue. Here's how it works. Imagine you're running a SaaS company like my client TradeLink. You integrate an AI tool like HubSpot or Salesforce, Einstein, or the Scaling Founder CRM with your CRM. The AI assigns points based on behavior. So 80 points if a lead visits your pricing page, shows high intent. 50% if they, or 50 points if they download your white paper, engaged but not ready. And 20 points for opening your email, mild interest. You also factor in firmographics, add 30 points for the $5 to $10 million revenue, 20 for a C-level title, lead scoring 70 plus are your VIPs. For TradeLink, we focused on these high scores and they went from 500 leads to 100 smart leads, booking 20 plus calls monthly with a 20% conversion boost. Their sales cycle slashed by 37%. So you want a quick win, you can try today. Manually score your last 20 leads. Give 30 points to $5 to $10 million revenue, 50 for pricing page visits, 20 for email openers. Call the top 5 scorers first. One client doubled their booked calls in a week with this trick. Why does this matter? At the $5 to $10 million mark, your time is your most precious asset. AI lead scoring saves you hours by pointing your leads where they are ready to buy now. It's not about more leads, it's about the right leads. It's about leads who are busy searching for the service or product you provide, and you are there to meet them where their needs highest. It's really it's gold when you get this right. So now you might be thinking, Tony, this sounds great, but what if I don't have an AI tool yet? That's a great question. Start small with manual scoring, like I just shared. Use your CRM to track behaviors. Most have basic analytics. Then, when you're ready, tools like the Scaling Finder CRM or HubSpot, you start at $50 a month and scale with you. So, the key takeaway is that you should stop wasting time on low value leads. Focus on high intent prospects with lead scoring, and you'll see faster deals and higher conversions. TradeLink's 20 plus booked calls didn't come from 500 leads, they came from 100 smart leads. When you go fishing, you go to the spot where people know there are fish. You don't go fish in your swimming pool. So you need to find your leads where they're at and where they are ready to actually look more into your business. So, you want to dive deeper? I've got a free smart lead gen guide for $5 to $10 million founders that break down three AI driven strategies, including lead scoring to transform your lead gen. Grab it. You can look for the link in the description. Then also check out my B2B sales growth hacking masterclass on Udemy for more growth hacks and 50 plus PDFs with checklists and workbooks and plans that you can work. And please connect with me on LinkedIn to share your lead gen challenges. Links are in the show notes. Let's make your $5 to $10 million business scale smarter. Thanks for joining me on this pilot episode of the Scaling Finder podcast. Next time, we'll explore how intent data finds buyers before your competitors. Don't miss it. Subscribe now and grab the Smart Free Lead Gen Guide in the show notes. I'm Tony, and I'll see you in the next episode. And look forward to actually speaking to some founders who are busy in the trenches on how they're solving the issues and how they're scaling. I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.